Hello, magandang umaga po, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa mga Pisces with water elements. Lola Baby po nagpapakilala ha. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng timeless reading for the whole month of June. Yan. So tingnan po natin ha, saan po tayo dadalhin ng inyong tarot cards energy. Salamat po sa inyong subscribe, likes, comments. Baka nais po ninyo sa hindi pa nakaka-subscribes. Yan, isa lang pong subscribes, shares and likes para po mag-grow ang channel ni Lola Baby. Salamat po. General reading po ito ha, hindi po ito personal reading or private reading, hindi po, okay? So, meron po ditong energy, tinatawag na the Ace of Cups. Yan. So, ang nakikita ko dito is about, ito Ace of Cups. Ito naman is a Six of Cups to the Seven of Pentacles. Yan, ha? Family, other peoples, okay? Ano pa? It's about your prayers, your goals, your dreams, di ba? So, ang nakikita ko dito is about other people's money. Yan ha, okay? Other people's feelings, nararamdaman nila. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, maganda ang energy. There is a harmony and alignment with those people, especially your family. Okay? Kumbaga dito, nakikita yung tinatawag sharing, give and take, understanding, di ba? Praying each other. Yan, the intention nakikita. Okay? So, narito naman ang tinatawag. For whatever reason, may nakikita lang ako dito. Family, they are praying for their loved ones. Okay? Maybe their loved ones is very sick. And they are, it's like they are invoking heaven or the God of Father Almighty na sana gumaling ang kanilang health. Okay? Dahil narito ang tinatawag their emotions, okay? And the pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles. Diba? Yan. It's like extending, they are extending their love, okay? So, extending their love to those, okay? Ibig sabihin ito, nakikita ko dito family, relationship, siblings, relationship, mga in-laws, di ba, relationship, marriage, relationship, but it's more about, ang nakikita ko dito tinatawag na sharing information, sharing secrets, okay? It's like itong mga ito is tinatawag very, very confident, very, very sensitive ang sinishare nila sa isa't isa. So nakikita dito, understanding, di ba? Yan. Updating, di ba? It's like follow up. Meron ditong pina-follow up, ina-update, sharing information, messages, di ba? An intention, okay? So nakikita rin dito yung tinatawag na pakikiramay, pakikiisa, pagmamahal, di ba? Yan. That's why they said, the family that prays together stays together. Kaya naroon ang tinatawag na the angel. Okay? So ito ang tinatawag na the Gemini. Okay? So whatever is this, it's like tinatawag na extending their love, extending their help. Di ba? Yan. So, gagamit ako ng ibang tarot ha. Sandali lang. Set aside ko lang ito. Energy para sa ating mga mahal na Pisces with the water elements. Okay? It's more about family relationship. It's like very, very delicate itong kanilang tinatawag na sharing. Okay? There is a sharing. It's like tinatawag na information. Maybe it has something to do about marriage, their health. Okay? Kung baga dito, yan na. Sa tinatawag na the lovers. Okay? Concern. It seems very, very concerning itong tinatawag na the Ace of Cups. And it needs attentions. Okay? So, for some of you, lumabas dito ang tinatawag na the Four of Pentacles. Diba? What you can do. It's like tinatawag what you can offer. Okay? It's like extending your hands, extending yourself para matulungan. Okay? It's like yan ang vibration na nakukuha ko dito. Diba? So this person, it's like, for some of you, meron lang akong nakikita dito na this person, kung ano man ito, has something to do about their career, okay? Career, profession. So nakikita dito yung tinatawag na participation nila, 'di ba? Sa mga tao, 'di ba? So it's about tinatawag na what they can, how they can help them, 'di ba? Especially tinatawag na the Ace of Cups. How can they help? Okay? Tinatawag, let's say, sabihin natin, their service, gusto nilang ibigay. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, very, ano siya, okay? It's like, this person is taking seriously, okay? Kung ano man itong usapan na ito. He's taking it seriously. Para sa mga Pisces. Okay. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Seven. The Seven of Swords. Diba? So, meron dito, nakikita ko dito other peoples. Yan, ha? Kung sino ito. It's like maybe family members. Diba? Yan. Yan. It seems like they will go away like a thief in the night. Okay? Bigla na lang siyang mawawala without you knowing. Okay. So, yun lang po nakikita ko, ha? Itong taong ito is maybe a friend or ikaw or someone's in relationship sa inyo. Okay? It's like, bigla na lang siyang mawawala na parang bula. Yan. Without you knowing it. Like a thief in the night. So, be very, very, nakikita ko dito wala itong paabisa. Walang paabisa. Okay? Abiso. Walang pasabi. Bigla na lang itong mawawala. Okay? And paano? It's like, paano sila mawawala? I do not know. Ito ay manifesting. It's manifesting. Okay? Someone you know. Like a member of the family. Or friends. Or marriage. Or sabihin na natin sa trabaho. Okay? Sabihin na natin naroon siya sa trabaho niya. Bigla na lang siyang mawawala. It's like tinatawag na nag-jump up. It's like a seaman, nag-jump up. Jump up ship, di ba? Okay? Bigla na lang siya mawawala. Yan. So, narito ang tinatawag na, okay? Number 13, the death, Scorpio. Yan, ha? Okay. So, narito ang tinatawag na transformation, di ba? Yan. Anong transformation na ito? Okay? Merong pagbabagong napakalaki mangyayari, okay? With this group of people, maybe family, there is a very, very big transformation. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ito, highlights, pagbabago. Okay? Since presence dito, ang tinatawag na the Six of Cups. Okay? The Six of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles. Okay? Yan. Narito ang tinatawag na the Four of Cups. Yan, ha? Okay. So, ibig sabihin ng the Four of Cups, someone is missing. This person is missing someone. Diba? Yan. It's like tinatawag na there is no more communication. Yan. It's only a memories. Okay? Only the memories of this person na lang. Okay? Medyo, I don't know. Okay? So it is something to do. Okay? Highlights dito ang tinatawag na family or friends. Maybe it has something to do about your friends or other people's. Diba? Okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag palitan ng tinatawag na usapan, words, okay? Exchanging words, exchanging action. Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na, yan, kung sino man itong mawawala na ito. Maybe sabihin na natin forever mawawala na siya. Or sabihin na natin baka naman tatransfer lang siya ng bahay, tatransfer siya ng trabaho, tatransfer siya ng lugar. Pero dito nakikitang you will never hear again from them. You will never hear again from this person. Okay? Okay, it's about your dreams. Okay? Whatever your dreams. Narito ang tinatawag na highlights. There is a malaking pagbabago. Okay? It's like yung dasal mo, makikita mo ang kasagutan. Okay? Maybe makakita ka ng bulalakaw. Maring makakita ka ng pusa. Maring makakita ka ng ibon. Okay? A sign from heaven. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na it's a ghost signal about your future. Diba? So kung kaya nga narito, tinatawag your happiness. Yan. Your happiness. It's like tinatawag, you will make your own world. You will make your own destiny. You will make your own path. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, you have a calling. Kaya narito, ang tinatawag na the Four of Pentacles. It's about your calling. Maybe, sabihin na natin, some things, some things attracts you, okay? Yan. And it's more bigger. Bigger. Okay? So, gamitan ko ng ibang tarot, ha? Okay. Whatever. So you're always praying. Yeah, you're always praying. Nakikita dito, ha? You're always praying. Okay. So it's here. Ibig sabihin nito. You love, you care too much. You love too much this person. Okay? There is a loneliness, a sadness, a parting ways. Sa tinatawag na the three of swords. There is a parting ways. It's like tinatawag goodbye. Yan ha? Okay. A goodbye. It's like loss. Hindi na ito pwedeng magbalik. Sa tinatawag na the Four of Cups. And it's only a memories. Okay? Memories lingers. Okay? It's like this person is nasa ibang dimension na. Diba? Yan. And they are praying for this person. Yan. Ready. Meron dito tinatawag ready to depart. Yan. Siguro ito mag-abroad or I don't know. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, may mga iiwanan siya. May mga iiwanan kasi nagkaroon dito ng tinatawag na transformation. Iko-close na ang chapter ng buhay niya para sa bagong chapter na kakaharapin niya. Diba? So, pwede rin ito yung tinatawag rebirth. Diba? So, but some of you, it's more about tinatawag na the high priestess is katahimikan. Okay? It's like this is the time, a time for, ito ang tinatawag the high priestess, a time to keep silent. Diba? A time to keep silent. It's like, kailangan ng tinatawag na, kaya siguro a time to keep silence. Ibig sabihin nito, there is a time for tinatawag na sorrowness, di ba? There is a sorrowness. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na a little respect sa kawalan, sa loss, okay? Whatever. Kasi narito ang tinatawag na the Four of Cups. So, ibig sabihin nito, highlights ito. Okay? Whatever is this. It needs to be quiet. Okay? Para yung tinatawag na igalang itong oras na ito para sa pagdadalamhati. It's like there is a sorrowness. Okay? You will experience sorrowness. That's okay. So, narito ang tinatawag the bottom card, di ba? Yan. Na the lovers, double confirmation, di ba? So, you know this person. You know this person very well, okay? Because narito yung tinatawag na inhibitions. It's like from childbirth, nagkasama kayo. Pwede rin naman ito sabihin natin kung isang card lang ito. There's something to do about attraction, love attraction, romance, attractiveness, di ba? It's about your appearance, your sex appeal, di ba? How you see yourself to others. It has something to do about a communication language, di ba? Since the lovers is ruled is ruled by Gemini, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na there is for some of you, kaya narito ang the King of Wands, there's something to do about maybe you have a tinatawag na admirers, di ba? Okay, so maybe you will hear, okay, from your admirers, okay? Yan. Maybe it has something to do about your attractiveness, di ba? Yan. Maybe they are always thinking about you. Yan, ha? Okay? So, it's like tinatawag na ito'y iaakyat na. Okay? tinatawag na higher up. Okay? Maybe sabihin na nating magpe-personal na ito. Diba? It's like tinatawag na aakyat na ng ligaw. Diba? Yeah. It's more about learning each other. Diba? If there is a click. Diba? So, seryoso ang taong ito. Okay? Ibig sabihin narito yung tinatawag na his ardent love. Okay? Towards you. So, there is the temperance and the 9 of swords. Diba? Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na the chitty-chat, okay, of your mind. Chitty-chat. Yan, magudong pag-iisip. Diba? It's like karoon ng problema, hindi pagkakaunawaan, misunderstanding. Okay? So, whatever is this, ibig sabihin nito, you want peace of mind. Okay? You want a rest. You want to let it go. Kaya narito on the temperance, di ba? You want to be delivered, okay? You want God, you want your angels to pull you out, okay? Dahil nakikita ditong you're very, very tired, okay? Sa iyong tinatawag pag-iisip. Your mind is very, very tired, okay? It's like hindi mo ma-contain ang problema na ito. Diba? Okay? It has something to do. Maybe it has something to do about marriage, okay? Children, siblings, parents. Diba? Yan. So, it needs an action. For some of you, ibig sabihin nito, you want to separate. Okay? Kalimutan mo na ito. It's like, kahit pansamantala, makalimot ka dito. Diba? Malimutan mo ito. Kahit pansamantala. Because gusto mo lang yung tinatawag na lumuwag ang iyong pag-iisip. Okay? Tinatawag na non-connection. It's like cutting off. Diba? Pansamantala. Para lang maranasan mo itong tinatawag na the temperance. For some of you, the temperance is more about, kung ito lang isang card na ito, okay? It's about remembering someone, okay? Remembering someone. Yan. Your angels is beside you, diba? If you have loneliness, your angels is beside you. So it's more about tinatawag solitude, a time for yourself, solitude. Diba? It's like to experience quietness, diba? Solitude, yan, pag-iisa. So, meron dito, it's like, kita mo yung crabs, lumalabas, yan. It's like tinatawag, someone will aalis sa buhay ninyo. Yan, ha? It's like, they will go back to the sea. They will go back to where they belong. Okay? Where the crabs belongs, di ba, sa dagat. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na aalis na siya sa buhay ninyo. Okay? Oh, yan. That's why narito, ang angels, it's like, I don't know, maybe a death or baka naman ito'y mag-a-abroad lang, di ba? Okay. So, for some of you, they prefer, okay? It's like tinatawag na abandoning responsibilities, di ba? So, tinatawag na the 7 of swords. They want to abandon this relationship, okay? Without informing. Yan. Kaya sabi ko nga, it's like a thief in the night. Diba? It's too much. Maybe itong taong ito is tinatawag na very, very tired na siya sa trabaho. Maybe it has something to do about work, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag temperance to the lovers, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na this is the time for the family. It's like console, okay? It's like tinatawag na kailangan nilang i-console ang bawat isa. I do not know why. Okay? Kailangan nila the strength of each other. Yan. Ito yung time na sinasabi na sila lang. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, this person get strength. Kumukuha siya ng lakas dito. Kumukuha din siya ng lakas dito. Kaya, the temperance. Diba? So, whatever it is. Okay? So, yan lang po ang aking reading sa inyo. Okay?